Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok feedback. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok feedback, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about TikTok. If you will find here update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.